Our journey begins at sea, where skilled fishermen cast their nets to catch sardines in abundance. Timing is crucial, as sardines are at their best when harvested fresh. Once the sardines are brought ashore, they are carefully sorted and cleaned. Any debris or unwanted fish are removed to ensure the highest quality product. Next, the sardines are filleted, and their heads are removed. This is a skilled process that requires precision to maintain the integrity of the fish. To preserve sardines, a brine solution is prepared. It typically consists of water, salt, and sometimes vinegar. This brine will be used to flavor and preserve the fish. The filleted sardines are carefully placed into cans. The brine solution is then poured into the cans, ensuring that each sardine is thoroughly marinated. Once filled, the cans are sealed to maintain freshness and prevent any contaminants from entering. This step is critical to the preservation process. To ensure safety and extend shelf life, the sealed cans are subjected to a cooking and pasteurization process. This step eliminates any harmful bacteria and seals in the sardines' flavor. After cooking, the cans are cooled before labels are affixed. These labels provide information about the product, including ingredients, nutritional facts, and expiration dates. Finally, the cans are packed into boxes, ready to be shipped to stores worldwide. From the sea to your plate, sardines are now available for your enjoyment. This is the intricate process of canning sardines, ensuring that you can enjoy the rich taste and health benefits of these little treasures from the sea, anytime, anywhere.